Hi, this is Brandon Long from Specific Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to complete an app solution when it is sent to you using DocuSign. The first thing you will receive is an email from Specific Solutions letting you know that they are processing your application in DocuSign. This email will provide you a step-by-step information guide on how to complete the DocuSign, as well as a guide on what to do next. The guide will look like this. We'll show you simple steps on what to do next, and it will also show you a DocuSign on how to complete a DocuSign if you forget. It's a step-by-step guide, and it also has an email if you have any questions. The major thing to note here is that we need the agent and the client to sign on the same day. So the next step, you will receive an email from DocuSign. The first thing for you to do is schedule a phone call with your client to complete the DocuSign. This is very important because it will allow you to answer any questions they did not answer during the interview, as well as confirm they're going to sign the same day. The email will look like this. You'll see that the authentication code is the last four of your social security number. When you're ready to review, you can click the review document. The authentication code, and here's the main screen. In the top left right here, the first time you do it, there'll be a box just letting you check mark it, letting you know that this is an electronic signature and that you approve of using it. So you click continue. Before you begin, you'll be allowed to review the document. You can do this before the appointment by just signing in and clicking. Do not click start, but you can scroll down reviewing the document. You'll notice in all the red is where you'll have to answer the questions or sign. Once you're ready, you can begin it. Click start, and it will take you right to the first thing. For here, this is a text box for a social security number. Click next each time, and it will take you to everything. The first time you do a signature, it will ask you if you want to use their template of your name or if you want to draw. I'm going to use the template. And you just go through, answer all the questions, and just click next. Anything in red has to be answered. You will not be able to finish it unless they are all answered. Anything in a gray box is optional. Anything gray buttons are also optional. That's used for an example. If you see this remarks box, it's possible you don't have any remarks, so it's an optional field. Also, sometimes there's an ACH form we may include that's in gray because the client wasn't sure if they were going to need an ACH form or not. Now, we built this so that any questions that the client wasn't able to answer during the interview is on the agent's side to answer. That way, when the client does get it, it is merely just signatures and where they're signing. So that completes the agent portion of the signature. It will ask you if you want to create an account. I'm going to click no. And now it's automatically being sent to the client. So I am going to forward the client email so we can look at that. It's already in my email, my personal email for the client, so I'm just forwarding it to my work account so we can take a look at it. So that was only a few seconds. And the document looks the same. This is the client's portion. Same thing, authentication code is the last four of their social. And when they're ready to review the document, you click that, it'll pop up. Use their authentication code. Now I haven't used this account yet, so it's asking me for the check mark to agree for the electronic signature, and you just click continue. They are also able to scroll and review the document before they start, and when they're ready, click start. First time they'll ask you for a default signature, or they can draw it. They continue with the signatures, where they signed, and now that completes the client portion. They'll click finish. They'll also be asked if they want to create an account. I'm going to say no thanks. Now that application is fully complete, it is now automatically being sent to Specific Solutions. We'll receive it and put it into processing. You will also receive a completed copy with both signatures, and the client will also receive the copies. That completes the portion of the DocuSign process. The app solution is now done. It is sent to new business to begin the processing of the application. If you have any other questions, you can email us at appsolution@specificsolutions.com or 716-632-7777. Thank you.